Hello, I saw your question in the email. I cannot work that exact problem and show you everything, but here's the same type of problem. We got y equal 3 sine of pi x. Now you got the first part okay. Amplitude is 3, and then you put 2 pi over coefficient of x pi, and you get 2 for the period. So you were okay. It's down here on this part that you struggle with. So when you click on this box comes up. And so you need to recognize it's sine. So this one's a sine curve, and this is the cosine. So you click on this guy, then you just click anywhere here, and it'll draw in the sine. And then this pops up. And I think this is where your trouble arises. So, you click here on sine, click here anywhere, and then this comes up. And so you input the 3 and the 2. The amplitude you put in the 3, the period you put in the 2. Then it'll change this, and then you just need to save it. You do have vertical shift and horizontal shift and reflection. You have all the transformations here. But you just click on save, and then you can check it. So again, you click here, click this is sine, this is cosine, click on sine, click anywhere here, then this pops up and you input the shifting. Hope that helps.